and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we will be learning how to differentiate between sales orders, quick sales, and invoices. Okay, let's start with a sales order. A sales order is a contract between you and your customer for products and services at a specified amount. To open one in ZarMoney, go to the Sales navigation and click the plus sign next to Sales Orders. Here's an example of a sales order in ZarMoney. You can input your customer from your customer list and all the information for their bill to, as well as their default shipping address should auto-populate in the top of the screen. If you utilize multiple payment terms and shipping methods across your business, you want to specify these at the top of each sales order. You can select net 30, 10 days 3% discount if you offer a discount to your customers of 3% if they pay within the first 10 days. The salesperson in your company will use this form to document the agreements that they came upon with the customer. This is not to be confused with an invoice, which is what your billing department will send out once the company has fulfilled all its obligations according to the sales order. For record-keeping purposes and to reduce confusion between departments, we recommend that the salesperson attach any emails they have with the customer to the sales order once it's completed. To do this, click the paperclip icon in the upper right-hand corner. Choose the file to upload from your computer, and then make sure you put in a memo with the file, notifying other users what the file is for. Okay, now let's jump to invoices. So your billing department is going to want to send an invoice once the goods are sent to the customer or all services are performed. To do this, go to the Sales navigation in ZarMoney and click the plus sign next to Invoices. Now we're going to use the same customer in this example, and you're going to see that the open sales order will pop up transaction 1038. So we're going to click that, and from there you can auto-populate all the information that the salesperson input in the sales order. And as you can see, all the information auto-populates. The billing department is going to double check that and click Save and Close. And here's the invoice confirmation screen. So your billing department is going to want to check before sending out the invoice that the customer confirmation attached to the sales order matches all the information on the sales order. Okay, so lastly, let's move on to the quick sales functionality. A quick sale acts as both an invoice and a receipt of payment, and it's great for businesses that utilize point-of-sale transactions. So to create a new quick sale in ZarMoney, go to the Sales navigation and click the plus sign next to Quick Sales. Use the quick sale function when the customer is paying for and picking up the items or services at the time of purchase. Okay, just to recap what we've learned, a sales order is really convenient when you have a sales team, a billing team, and a fulfillment team. An invoice can either be used in conjunction with a sales order or on its own to represent an account receivable from a customer when goods or services were provided but payment was not yet received, meaning you would have to record the receipt of payment separately. And a quick sale is used when you are providing goods or services and receiving that payment at the same time. That's all for this session. Thank you for watching another ZarMoney training video. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.